Hi there, DeeperNaut, and welcome to this weekly roundup update thing dated the 27th of August 2023. The vast majority of the stuff is like Deeper Air related stuff. You know the Indiegogo is still ongoing, so there's going to be loads of that. I've missed quite a lot of it out because you've heard it, you know it's out. So Deeper Network tweets, not that many, a few though, a few. So Deeper Network protects your network and data, but also helps add entertainment. And it just basically has a guide on how to use the streaming stuff, the geolocators, get like Channel 4, ITV1, they're like UK things. The link for that guide will be in the description below, so have a look, check it out. We also have a tweet from Subwallet, and basically saying that the extension is out now, it's available in the browser stores, and they've got, you can see there, new networks added, Deeper, and that is great. I haven't done a video on it yet. That will be on Friday, I hope. And there'll be like an install video and then videos on how to cross-chain stuff. So we have another customer testimonial. They like to put these in just so you can see them, see that people are happy with them, and it also helps with sales, get more nodes, etc, etc. And thank you for keeping me updated. The support team has been very helpful, and that's from Kevin P. Which, yeah, the support team is really, really good. I've used them quite a few times, and they've always been spot on. So this was a tweet, I've just screenshotted it, I can't be bothered to do the whole thing, it takes forever. And he's basically saying that they're gathering information on the Indian tunnels, and they want you to send them this information. Now, I thought this was pretty interesting. First off, the meme on the bottom, you know, Futurama, I haven't seen that in years. I think that was the episode where he wants to buy a horn, which is actually like a willy for a person. It's really funny. And then below that you've got a guy slooping down in the car. So it's good that you know, Deeper and Eric can have a laugh. You know, it's pretty chill. But what was interesting about this is that India brought in that law where VPNs have to have logs. Okay, so their customers have to have logs, and that's why VPNs like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, they all quit. They went, we can't sacrifice our customer data, which is ironic in the case of ExpressVPN. So they quit. So I'm wondering if Deeper Network, because they're a DPN, a decentralized VPN, you can't really stop it. It's a physical thing, not a software thing. I wonder if we're getting around that and they're going to kind of take over India. That would be pretty cool. Lastly, we have a tweet from Eric, which is basically saying that Telegram, Discord and social media communities are for discussions and not for support, because that's where scammers live and scammers will try and get your stuff. So I'm guilty of that. I've basically sent people to these places. In fact, I think I did a video on it. So just don't send your crypto to anybody and don't tell them your keys. Simple as that. Use the support. So token price. The token has gone down again this week, so started off at 0.00382 at the start of the week, and we finished up at 0.00375, and that's at 8:30 in the evening in the UK here, and so we're down 0.00007 of a penny, or a cent, or whatever, I don't know. And rank, we've lost 5 ranks, so we're now at 836. That sucks. I mean, you can see there's some massive spikes going up and down and up and down and up and down. A lot of people are buying a lot, selling a lot. Maybe someone's doing like arbitrage or something. I mean, I'm not really sure, but I just want to go up. So, final thoughts. The Deeper Connect Air is obviously continuing on. They've managed to raise £200,000 now through their Indiegogo campaign. I've bought 20 Deeper Airs and I'm waiting for them. Validator node. So this is going to be it. This is the one that I've bought and it is a monster. So 64 gig of RAM, 2 terabyte SSD, a 12th gen Intel CPU. It's like 14 cores, but I only actually need 8, but it's like 5 gigahertz as well, the CPU. So this thing is a beast. It's way above what I actually need. However, I thought I would step up, and it will be like future-proof, you know. So if the network grows, then obviously the hardware is still there, and it'll crunch through all that stuff. I have my fibre optic broadband with a static public IP address going in the day after tomorrow, and I have my backup power supply. I have Wi-Fi smart plugs, so I'll be notified if there's a power cut, and I'll be able to toggle things on and off. The remote control software is all done. Yeah, it's going to be a bit of a beast, so I'm looking forward to that. But time will tell. I've spent a lot of money on this. However, I want to get it into a place where I can remote control everything. If there's a power cut, it's protected. If the internet goes off, it's protected. So I've had to buy really good, like a PF Sense router. That is an absolute monster for a router. It doesn't need to be as good as what it is. And yeah. Being the validator, the first external validator, especially in the UK, is going to be a really big deal for us. For me, for Deeper, and so on. I've said it before, it basically secures the network against government, legislation, regulations, all that, you know. It helps it keep on going because it's decentralized. I've managed to raise 134,789 DPR, which I need 1 million to become a validator. That's for staking, so it's getting there. So thanks guys, cheers for watching the video, and I hope you have a good week, and I will see you on Friday. Bye bye.